Bonjour, c'est Clara, Clearly French. Today I'm going to show you how to use vers and envers and exactly what they mean. Vers means towards, and it's the idea of direction of movement towards something. Il s'est tourné vers moi. He turned towards me. Elle se dirige vers la gare. They're heading towards the station. Le chat court vers la porte dès qu'il entend un bruit. The cat runs towards the door as soon as he hears a noise. Now, of course, in US English, you say toward without the S. In the UK, towards. Vers can also mean around or about when you talk about an approximate time. Alors, on se voit vers 18 heures? So, I'll see you around 6 p.m. Ils sont arrivés vers minuit. They arrived around midnight. On partira en vacances vers la fin janvier. We'll go on holiday around the end of January. To express the idea of towards, you can also use envers, but that's more for attitude, relation, or emotion. Il a changé d'attitude envers moi. He changed his attitude toward me. Elle est toujours gentille envers les enfants. She's always kind to children. Tu es dur envers toi-même. You're hard on yourself. If you like this video and would like to support me, I would really appreciate if you would leave a small tip by clicking the Ko-fi link in the description. Merci d'avance et à bientôt.